Welcome to SIGOR. I'm Flora. We are a 19-year-old professional wiring harness and cable sales factory. Do you know how the USB cable you always use for your phone is produced? Let's have a look.
Say goodbye to messy cables. Our 4-in-1 retractable fast charging cable features Type-C *2 Lightning and USB-A ports, compatible with 99% of devices from iPhone 16 to Huawei laptops. The spring-loaded design extends from 0.3 meters to 1.5 meters, retracting in seconds without tangles. With 65 West Smart Fast Charging 27 West for Apple devices, this cable powers up laptops and phones simultaneously. The TP wire body and gold-plated connectors resist oxidation, while triple protection over voltage, over current, short circuit ensures safety. Certified by RoHS and CE, our cables pass 10,000 plus tensile tests. Our factories are Tour Showcase A production lines, delivering 600,000 cables monthly. Trusted by brands like BYD, we offer OEM solutions ready to experience our cutting-edge cables. Request a sample, get a custom quote, or explore our full range. Don't forget to follow us for exclusive tech tips and limited-time offers.